Coming up on HahaSmart Solar News, bifacial modules say goodbye to tariffs. Welcome back to HahaSmart Solar News. July 12, 2019, the U.S. Trade Representative announced it was granting an exemption to the solar panel duties for bifacial modules. October 4, 2019, the Trump administration announced that beginning October 28, 2019, the bifacial modules would be subjected to the 25% Section 201 tariffs. In November, the U.S. Court of International Trade issued a temporary restraining order on revoking the bifacial module exemption. December 5th, the U.S. Court of International Trade announced that once again it was allowing the exclusion of the bifacial modules from the Section 201 tariffs to remain in place for the foreseeable future. The initial restraining order was granted after the SEIA intervened in a case to the U.S. Court of International Trade on behalf of Chicago-based developer Invenergy Renewables. The developer said it entered into contracts with module pricings based on having the bifacial exemption, and that the USTR's exemption revocation violated the Administrative Procedure Act. SEIA President and CEO Abigail Ross Hopper said, "This is an important temporary reprieve for the bifacial module exclusion. We will continue to make the case that the Section 201 tariffs are harming the U.S. industry and the American consumer, and that the bifacial exclusion was a fair and reasonable solution to the problem of domestic module supply shortage." The original Section 201 tariffs on imported panels currently stands at 25% and will drop to 20% in 2020. The tariffs are up for midterm review in February 2020. Do you think the midterm review will overturn the tariffs for all solar imports? Head over to hahasmart.com and let us know.